Whoopsie daisy. Hiya, folks. Ready for some maestro magic? Ahem! Well, thank you. Can't start without this. Let's see now. Gotta get this just right. A one, a two, let's make some music, yahoo! Gosh, well, that's not supposed to happen. That's better. Oh, come on now. Ouch! Okay, Baton, you're fired. Oh, pretty. I told you I was a maestro. Gosh, was that a tuba or my tummy? Oh, now cut that out! You're stealing my spotlight. Gosh! No! Come on, Orchestra! Pick up the pace! Oh, wait! Slow down! Hey, somebody turn the water off! Whoa! There we go! Back in business! Oh boy! you. And let's hear it for my orchestra. They've been fantastic, don't you think? And of course, can't forget the fountains. They really know how to make a splash. Oh, thank you, thank you. You've been a wonderful crowd. See you real soon. Come on, everybody. We got to get marching to our next gig.